In this tutorial, you will learn how to download and install the iCloud app in Windows 11 and Windows 10. First, open your Microsoft Store. Search for iCloud. Click on iCloud app. Press the Get button to start downloading iCloud. Wait for iCloud to be downloaded and installed. Now your iCloud app should be installed. Now open your iCloud app. Now type in your iCloud login info. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.